Hello! In this video, we will learn how much the trading fees are on the BTCC exchange. I will also show you a completely legal method to reduce your trading fees. As you can see, this exchange has different fee levels. By default, the Taker trading fee is 0.048%. Even at this level, the fee is lower than many well-known exchanges. However, you can reduce it further by reaching VIP 3 level. In this case, the trading fee you will pay will be reduced to 0.035%. All you need to do is enter this invitation code when creating your account, PGDOWI. Make sure to enter the code using English letters only. After creating your account, wait about 1 hour for your account to be upgraded to VIP 3. This VIP 3 level will remain active for 1 month. If you have any questions about how long you can get VIP 3 using this method, simply open the link I have provided in the description. At the top of the page, you will see a countdown timer showing how long this campaign is available. As long as the campaign is still active, you can use this method to activate VIP 3.
Now, let's compare this trading fee with other exchanges. The fee at the level we activated has been reduced to 0.035%. As you can see, this fee is lower than the trading fees of most popular and widely used exchanges.
Links for reducing fees on other exchanges are also available in the description. Thank you for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.